What's your name?
So I'm Phil.
What's your role in YEPS?
I have quite a few roles in YEPS because I work as a casual part-time worker. I have worked as a full-time worker before, but for the last 8 years now I've done this part-time. So I help out in any way I can.
Do you enjoy being a youth worker?
Love being a youth worker because it gets me out and about doing lots of different jobs. No 2 days are the same. And I love working with young people. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard, but most of the time it's great to see young people flourish and grow up to be nice young people.
How many years have been a youth worker?
Oh,
What's your favourite memory?
Too many years to remember, but it's over 20 years now. I think it's 22 years this year, I think. Yeah. To say I have a favourite memory, oh, it's too many, because every year something different happens. And always the current group of young people you're working with are always your favourites. So it's too many memories. We've had some really good times here. And at the moment, I think one of our best memories is watching you lot come in and re-establish this club, because we think as staff that the next 3 or 4 years are going to be really, really good. There's a really nice group of young people coming in now. So I think the next 3 or 4 years will give us our best memories. What are you laughing at? Oh, you don't think you're a good person, do you?
No.
You don't think you're a nice bunch of people?
No, I just...
No, I don't blame you. I've seen most of it, yeah. So that's what I think, yeah. So every year is different. There's always nice memories every year, yeah. But if I had to pick one, the year we had a massive water fight in the club. Yeah, yeah, we had water balloons everywhere. And we basically flooded the club.
Oh.
Yeah, took us about 3 hours to get all the water out of the club.
Oh.
That was pretty cool. Yeah, we were supposed to have done it up on the tennis course, but then ended up, there was a bigger fight the year after than the one up on the tennis course. It was cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well done, girls. Yeah. Sure. So I started youth work totally by accident when, because I used to come to this club when I was your age. So this is my youth club. And you know Hayley, our boss Hayley as well? You must have met Hayley.
I think I
Yeah.
have.
The loud blonde one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
The load.
She used to come here as well. So this is our youth club. And the guy who used to run it, Jim, I was on the treadmill one day in the gym and he said, what are you doing tonight? I said, do you fancy coming up and coaching a rugby session? And I never left.
Oh.
I loved this so much. And I consider my 15 years in architecture now as 15 years wasted. I should have done youth work from the start. That's why I love it, yeah. Love it.
Oh,
And this is my club. Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah. There you go.